Okay, let's dive into a super important system design concept, database indexing.
Imagine your game's database has, say, 100 million match histories. We're talking massive scale.
When the data's small, everything feels snappy. But as it grows, things get painfully slow.
So a player makes a simple request, but the system just can't keep up. Without some help, the database has to check every single record, one by one.
So the big question is, how do we speed this up? Can we build some kind of shortcut?
Well, the answer is an idea we're all pretty familiar with. Just think about a textbook.
Right? You wouldn't read the whole book to find one thing. You'd flip to the index.
And that's pretty much it. An index is just a shortcut to find your data way faster.
Okay, quick vocab lesson. When we ask the database for information, that's called a query.
So back in our game, a common query like this has to be lightning fast.
By putting an index on player ID, boom, the database finds all their matches instantly.
That index creates a direct path to the data, skipping that slow one-by-one scan.
This seems amazing, right? So why not just put an index on absolutely everything? Well, there's a catch. Indexes aren't free. They take up space and can slow down updates. So the trick is to be smart about it. You only index the stuff people search for a lot. And that's the system designer's mindset. You figure out what people look for, then make it fast.
See, it's two different problems. Storing the data is one thing. Finding it is a whole other challenge.
And that's the big takeaway. Storing data is easy, but are your systems built to find it?